Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Phoenix Smart Wallet SDK. The problem statement that we are going after is a very crucial yet a broken user experience in the Web3 world, which is the wallet experience. For people coming from the Web2 to the Web3 world, it feels as a huge barrier because not only do they have to set up wallets, but they have to manage their private key, their passphrases, each and every transaction for any interaction that they do with the dApp. And it just feels like a very broken experience. And that's what we are here to solve. Crypto Phoenix Smart Wallet SDK is a bunch of pre-built smart contracts which provide features like account abstraction, which is ERC-4337 compatible, thus providing a smart wallet experience to the users. Along with that, we also have some strong social recovery mechanisms like account locking, social account recovery, and to top it all, we have the cross-chain transaction capability powered by Chainlink CCIP. Let's see how the system is designed. So everything starts from the account factory contract, which is responsible for deploying the smart contracts, which is going to power the smart wallet accounts of your app users. Along with this contract, account factory deploys a bunch of other contracts in order to provide the features that I spoke about. Let's dive into them. The first one being the Guardian contract, which is responsible for signing up EOA holders as verified guardians onto the Crypto Phoenix system. Once these guardians have been verified by the system, they can be assigned by users of these smart wallet accounts as guardians to their account. Then we have the account lock. Account lock is responsible for locking and unlocking of account assets only after the consensus of all the guardians of that account is reached. Moving on, we have a very important account recovery contract. The way the recovery works is a user's private key is broken into shards, which is equal to the number of the guardians that the user has allotted for his account. And once these shards are broken, they are distributed to guardians and stored in the cloud on behalf of them. In case the user requires a recovery to happen, then he can request the guardians, and the guardians can arrive at a consensus on the account recovery request by the user. And if the consensus is reached, the shards are brought together in order to recover the account. Now I invite William, who's another contributor onto the project, to talk about cross-chain transfers.
Talking on the cross-chain transaction process, there are two smart contracts in charge of this. We have the cross-chain token transfer master and the cross-chain token transfer contract. The dApp or the dApp developer communicates with the cross-chain token transfer contract to get an estimate of fee required to carry out the transaction. This fee is returned with a slippage value of 10%. Once this is returned, the dApp makes a call to the cross-chain token transfer master to initiate the cross-chain transaction. In this process, there is a user op generated because there is a batch of transactions that needs to be carried out, which is either initiating transfer of token and payment in native, or transfer of token and payment in link. Whichever it is, there is a cascade of calls that is batched together, which comprises of approvals. The user approving our cross-chain token transfer contracts with some ERC20, or maybe approving the contract with some link. Once this is done, a user op hash is generated and the event is emitted. The dApp tracks this event, and once this event is detected, the dApp signs it and submits it to the smart contract, where it's submitted to the entry point. In the documentation we have, here is the function to get an estimate of fee required to carry out the transaction and the parameters there. And here is the function that initiates token transfer with link. And here is another one that initiates token transfer with native token.
So there you have it. We have an extensive documentation explaining the major features that we provide and get started guide for each and every contract. You can either just install the smart contracts, deploy them using the script that we provide, or you can go ahead and import these contracts in your smart contract projects and extend that full functionality if you choose to. Thank you so much.